Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing very well. I'm also doing great. So in today's video, I have 3 DIY natural face masks which gives an instant glow to your face. These are natural, quick, easy and very effective face masks which you can try if you're going for a party or any function. Just apply it one hour before you do your makeup. Now let's start with the first one, which is carrot juice and egg yolk face mask. To make the face mask, we need carrot juice and egg yolk. Now, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin K and dietary fibers. All these nutrients of carrot make the face brighter and keep the skin glowing. The face packs made with carrots leave the skin looking beautiful, young and fresh. I have grated the carrot. Now I'm gonna squeeze this and extract the juice from it. You should also add carrots in your daily diet. Include them in your curries and salads. It helps clearing out toxins in your body. Drinking carrot juice on a regular basis does wonders on your body and skin. So the carrot juice is ready. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of egg yolk into the carrot juice. Egg yolk contains protein, vitamin A, vitamin B2, vitamin B and zinc. Egg yolk locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. This is extremely good for people with a dry skin because it heals dry, flaky and itchy skin. Mix it properly and the face pack is ready now. For 2 teaspoons of carrot juice, we need only 1 teaspoon of egg yolk. You don't require more than that for your entire face and neck. Apply this mask on your face and it will dry within 2 to 3 minutes, and then again you can apply one more coat over it, and once it is dry you can apply one more coat over it, and when you are done, wash it off with cold water. Next is the apple face mask. We just need 1 apple to make this face pack. I think this is one of the most underrated face packs because apples can do magic on your face. Trust me on this. You can use apples to treat sunburns, you can use it to treat dark circles, you can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it as a toner and so on. To make the face pack, just mash the apple and it is ready. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants and potassium. It also helps in balancing in the skin's pH level and reduces the overproduction of oils from the skin. Apples have nourishing and hydrating properties which makes the skin supple. Our apple face mask is ready now. You can apply it all over your face and neck. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water. If you want, you can use this face mask every day on your face and the results are amazing. Next one is the honey and tomato face pack. For that we require half a tomato and raw honey, which is natural. Tomatoes contains vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin K. It also have some acidic properties that helps in maintaining a proper pH level for your skin. Using tomatoes on your face helps in the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that gives structure to the skin. This makes your skin have a clear texture and keeps it soft and glowing. Mash the tomato until it becomes a smooth puree. I have used half a slice here, and don't forget to use a ripe tomato. Honey has exfoliating properties which helps in maintaining good skin health. I recommend you to try a honey face mask every week for a glowing and youthful skin. Now I am going to add 2 teaspoons of honey to the tomato puree. You require only half a slice of tomato for your entire face and neck. Mix it properly and the face mask is ready. Apply this mask on your face and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask also dries up very quickly. You can reapply it once it is dry. And after 15 to 20 minutes, you can wash it off with cold water. There is one easy way you can try this face mask. Take a tomato, cut it into half and put some holes in it with a fork and drop some honey on it and rub it on your face. I always try this method because it's very quick, easy and very effective also. Nicely massage your face with the tomato for 1 to 2 minutes and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can wash it off with cold water. That's all for today. I hope you like my video. Try these face packs and keep glowing. Thank you for watching.